So if you want to quickly disable the ABS on your CB500X, inside this, we've got 3 plugs. I don't know what the red one does. The green one is your kickstand switch. If you want to eliminate that kickstand switch, pull it apart, short these 2 together. If you want to disable your ABS, right here, this plug, that's all you got to do. It will flash ABS at you like that, and you will not have ABS front or rear. It will be completely disabled. You want to re-enable your ABS, plug that in, cycle the key completely off and back on. It will clear that. Your ABS will work again. I am working on another way to do it using the front ABS, but it's going to require wiring and a switch. But until then, if you need to disable it, you just got to pull your seat off and disconnect that rear wheel speed sensor.